Today I'm going to show you how to fold this into an ornament so that when it's done it looks like this, and you can hang it up in your classroom or on a Christmas tree or just turn it into a regular hanging foldable. This is a fraction one. So there's 18 of these and they all have a different fraction and there's a different section for each one. So whether you have this or you have a blank version you're writing in your own, or the factors version, here's how you can fold it. And click on the link in the description if you want to get this exact one. This is a square, it's about 5 by 5 inches. And all I need is a piece of string if I want to put a string on it and some glue. I'm gonna go ahead and get started. The first thing I'm going to do is fold it in half vertically and horizontally. So like this, that's horizontal, and then like this, vertical. So I folded it that way and that way. And now I'm going to fold it diagonally, corner to corner. So I'll flip it like this and I'm going to fold to the corner. And the better you fold, the easier it'll be when you put it all together. The next step is to do that all again, the opposite direction. So I'm just going to fold it back on itself, just so those folds are really, really nice. And then you just want to make sure that every fold can go both ways. That'll make it easier to put together. Great. Now we're going to actually turn it into an ornament so that it looks like this. Flip it over, and all of these are going to fold up towards the middle like this. So these two will come to the middle, and these two will come to the middle. Something that helps me when I'm doing this is to remember that when this comes up, so take this face right here. This face, the number line 1, is going to fold in on itself like that. And this face will fold in like this. So it's almost like opening a book, that the ones that I drew on are actually going to get closed up. And let me show you an example on this one. So this is one, but it's going to fold in on itself, and I can open it up like a book. That is really, really helpful, because if you do that ahead of time, just fold it like that, fold it like that, like a book, this, and like this, then it's going to be extremely easy to put together. So each one of these folds in like a book, and now I'm going to flip it like this, and all I need to do is bring the corners in towards each other. So these two corners come in, and then these two corners come in. And then as I do that, I might kind of fold it a little bit. So folding it in like a book. That. And it's so cute. This is what it looks like when it's all folded. And the more you reinforce, so you just kind of crease and crease and crease, the easier it'll be once you get the glue in there. Now that it is folded, I'm going to unfold it, put some glue and the string in, and then just put it back together again. I'm going to put the string on any one of these corners, it doesn't matter which one. Put some glue on there, and then I put one end here and one end here. There we go. And I don't want it in the crease though, because I want to be able to fold that. And then I just put glue all over. I recommend a glue stick and not liquid glue, because liquid glue makes it bumpy. And now I'm just going to fold it back together again. So when I do this, I usually like to do one at a time. So let's say I wanted to do this one, fold it in, and then you can see that this one is coming up with it. So I'm just going to go ahead and squeeze and just take these two together, because they want to go together, because they were just together a couple minutes ago. There's a little hole there. I'm just going to go like this and pinch it. There we go. I'm going to go to the left now and just kind of pull this up, and you see these two are coming together naturally because they want to come together. The better you do during the like practice folding stage, the more likely that these are going to want to just kind of squeeze together if you've already done it. Here's the last one. I'm just going to keep the string out here and just kind of push it in. This. And just squeeze. And so now it's flat like a diamond. And I can kind of fold each page a little bit. Squeeze the top and make sure it's actually together. And now I'll kind of open up these flaps. And here's our ornament. So this one is all done and ready to be hung up.